Hello, my name is Andrew Chen, and I am currently a student of Chem 119, Section 547, and for my end of semester project, I will be talking about precipitation reactions along with solubility rules. So basically, solubility rules go with soluble compounds, which come with Na, K, and ammonium, and almost all salts of chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, and sulfates, and we have insoluble compounds, which are listed below, with exceptions as well. So let's move on to some examples. So first, we will have an example of sodium chloride, which is aqueous, and then we will have potassium nitrate, which is also aqueous. And that will go into a double replacement reaction, which will form sodium nitrate and potassium chloride. So we will label the first one with pink and the second with blue. And we will see whether or not, depending on the solubility rules, that whether a precipitate will form. So if we check, because sodium nitrate is so if we check the solubility rules, since sodium nitrate is part of the soluble compounds, it will be aqueous. And since potassium is also part of the soluble compounds, it will also be aqueous. So there will be no precipitate formed from this reaction. Let's move on to another reaction. This chemical equation will be between silver nitrate, which is soluble, aqueous, and potassium chloride, which is also aqueous, which will go again to a double replacement reaction to form silver chloride and potassium nitrate. So for the first one, we will label it with green, and the second one, we will label with yellow. And as we mix these two together, we do not know if the final reaction will have a precipitate. So we draw that we know that there will be mixture in there, but we do not know. And if we check, AgCl will be solid because Cl has an exception for silver, is insoluble. So therefore, it is a solid. And potassium nitrate is, again, aqueous. So we will have an aqueous solution. And now it will be insoluble.